Dear friends, now we have another part of our automobile engineering. This is very important, that is the differential. Why the differential is required? This is most important for automobile car or vehicle. Differential is most important. How it works and what the function of differential, what are the functions of differential, that we will learn today. Now you see, when a car is running in a state, so it has two rear wheel. If it is differential is mounted in rear wheel. It can be mounted in also in front wheel if it is a front wheel drive. So for front wheel, there is a front differential in the front wheel drive, differential in the front with the drive shaft, and when it is the rear wheel drive, differential is in the rear wheel drive with a propeller shaft. This is the propeller shaft. We were discussing about the rear wheel drive. If it is not a rear wheel drive, then differential will be in the front wheel of the car. So now we will talk about the differential of rear wheel drive. Now you see, when the car is running in a straight line, so the velocity or RPM of left wheel as well as right wheel is the same. So no need to make any changes in the wheel rotation. But if the vehicle is turning to a turn, suppose it is turning to right, then what will happen? If it is turning to right, they will form a arc, and this is the left form a arc. If it is running a straight line, so left as well as right, no difference of the rotation of the wheel. Now, if it is turning to right, then what will happen? There is one arc of right side and another one arc is left side. Right side arc is smaller than left side arc. So, right will have to move lesser speed than left side. Otherwise, it will overturn. So, now the question of differential comes where it will play its role. What will the role? Now, it will adjust the RPM of the wheel so that it does not overturn. What will happen if it is turning right? This RPM of the right wheel will be less and RPM of the left wheel will be more. That is because adjusted by this differential. What is differential? This is a differential. What are the first one? It is you coming from engine. After gearbox, this is the propeller shaft. It is coming from engine. This is the pinion and this is the gear. This is the gear. This is one gear. Gear is there and it is a pinion. Now, your engine is turning 22 to 2300 RPM. But this wheel go directly 22,000 to 23,000 RPM. So this is a small gear and this is a big gear. This is small pinion gear. So it will reduce the speed of the engine and as per the requirement, it will be given to the wheel. So first work of differential to reduce the speed and as per the requirement, that transfer the speed to the wheel. Now second, it's transferring the power to the rear wheel 90 degree. Now you see, this is turning like this, but your wheel is turning like this. So what will do? This way it is transferring the power to 90 degree. So this way we see this is differential. First work to reduce the speed. Second work is to transfer the power to 90 degree. Now how it works? One, this is a gear. This is a gear, and this is main gear. And with this, you see there is a whirling and another gear. This is spider gear. This is called spider gear. This is the most important role. This is spider gear when it is turning. Otherwise, it doesn't have any role. Now it has two rotation. One is with the big gear. Another with it can spin its own axis. It can spin its own axis. So this is a spider gear. There are two spider gear. You see how these two spider gear. These are mixed with the side gear. This is side gear. This is side gear. This is spider gear. This is spider gear. This side gear. This is mixed with the side gear. This is mixed with the side gear. When power is being transmitted and there is no turning, this working as a unit. So there is no difference between the power. Now if it's turning in right, then there is a gap and the spider gear moves speed to its own axis and adjust the gear speed, and this way we adjust the RPM of the tire. This is the work of differential. Thank you. ঠিক আছে?